In today's workplace, clear communication and efficient workflows are essential. When used thoughtfully, AI tools can support productivity, streamline routine tasks, and assist with problem solving. ChatGPT is one of these tools that is used in many professional environments. Let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a generative AI tool developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand and generate natural language text based on user input. By analyzing patterns in large amounts of text data, ChatGPT can respond to questions, summarize information, help draft content, and assist with a wide range of language-based tasks. To use ChatGPT effectively, it's important to understand how generative AI systems work and where they can go wrong. Two key factors to keep in mind are hallucinations and training bias. First, be aware of AI hallucinations. ChatGPT does not understand information and doesn't reason the way humans do. Instead, it generates responses by predicting the most likely sequence of words based on patterns it learned during training. Because it's designed to generate language, not verify facts, it can sometimes produce hallucinations. These are confident-sounding responses that are incomplete, outdated, or incorrect. They are more likely when prompts are vague, when information is missing, or when topics are highly specialized or rapidly changing.